Alright, so this is the Broke Boy laminar flow hood tech for under $100. See, I got this piece of particle board for 21 bucks, and then the fan was 80 bucks on Amazon. It's like 270 something CFM, which is good enough, closest to what you need. And then I got these corner clamps and wood glue. My sister-in-law stole those from Lowe's, so I recommend going to Lowe's, not Home Depot, because Home Depot will chase you. It's pretty simple. The particle board's pretty soft, so you got to put these in to reinforce it, and then make sure you do the measurements for the back board that sits in there and the front for the filter. I'm gonna finish putting this together and I'll come back. Make sure you drill your holes, pre-drill them before you screw into the support, whatever the fuck, beams or something. I'm not a carpenter, I do not know what I'm doing, but it'll work. This is the blower fan that I got for 80 bucks off Amazon. You have to wire a plug-in yourself. I just cut an extension cord, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Black goes to black, white goes to white, and then there's a ground. I tested it, it works. Now I'm gonna cut a hole in the top of the box and install it. Alright guys, this is my finished product of the Broke Boy laminar flow hood tech for under $100. Like I said, I paid $20 for this particle board, $80 for the fan. My sister-in-law stole the filter and the glue and screws, so don't go to Home Depot because they'll chase you. Go to Lowe's and have your sister-in-law, whoever, steal you some shit. Plug it in. You gotta wire the fan yourself, which is pretty easy. I know I could put some wood in front of here, but I just said fuck it, tape it on, because I'm gonna replace them every once in a while. But there you guys go. Laminar flow hood.